When I was a young monk, I asked my teacher a question that troubled me deeply. I said, "Master, why does it feel like I never have enough time?" He smiled, as he often did when I thought too much. He didn't answer me with words. Not at first. He simply gestured toward an old hourglass on the table between us. The next morning, I was given the task of sweeping leaves in the courtyard. I tried to finish quickly so I could move on to more important things. But no matter how fast I moved, more leaves kept falling. I grew frustrated, but beside me the master swept slowly, deliberately. He didn't seem to care how long it took. That day I realized something. Time wasn't my enemy, my mind was. From that moment I stopped racing the clock. I began to walk with it. The first truth I learned: time is a mirror. What you give your time to reveals what you truly care about. If your hours vanish in noise and distraction, it isn't because time ran, it's because you handed it away. The second truth: busyness is not the same as purpose. Many people move fast but have no direction. They fill every slot in their calendar but forget to live. Just because something is urgent doesn't mean it's important. The third truth: silence is sacred. It's in the quiet moments that time reveals its true nature. Don't just fill your hours, feel them. So how do we live wisely? Pause more, rush less, write, reflect, create something slowly. Speak less, listen deeply. Teach not just with your words, but with your presence. Carry the lotus of awareness in your daily life. So I ask you this: what are you doing with your time?